Hello friends, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I am going to explain the topic about how to install Go Access Web Log Analyzer with Apache in Ubuntu. Go Access is a free and open source web log analyzer program which is able to analyze and check the web server logs rapidly. It allows system administrators to have a fast and valuable HTTP statistics which require a visual server report. It is released under GPL, so it is an open source tool. Besides it, run as a command line within Unix and Linux operating systems. Features of Go Access Weblog Analyzer. It passes the specified weblog file and outputs the data to the X terminal. It allows only custom log format strings. It is able to rapidly analyze and view web server statistics in real time without having to generate an HTML report. Before starting the installation of this tool, it is required to do the following condition. User account on the VPS with sudo. Install Apache web server with the active HTTP traffic. Ubuntu must be the operating system VPS. Next, to make the installation of the Go Access Weblog Analyzer. The first command is sudo space apt-get space upgrade. This command is used to update the packages by using the apt-get. Now enter to update. Press Y to continue. Now the update is completed. The next command to install build essential package. The command is sudo space apt-get space install space build hyphen essential. Now enter to install. Now enter the password for user 1. Now the package is successfully installed. The next command to install Go Access dependencies. The command is sudo space apt-get space install space under the package name. Now enter to install. Press Y to continue. Now the Go Access dependencies package is successfully installed. The next command is sudo space ch1 space dollar symbol user space slash user slash local slash source. This command is used to change the ownership of the source directory. Now enter. The next command is sudo space change mode space u plus or wx space slash user slash local slash source. This command is used to change the permissions for source directory. Here R for read, W for write and X for execute. Now enter. The next command is to change the directory. The command is cd space slash user slash local slash src. Now enter to change the directory. The next command is to download the Go Access software by using the wget command. The command is wget space under the path. Here the path is http colon double slash tar.goaccess.io slash goaccess hyphen 0.8.5.tar.gz. Now enter to download the package. After downloading the package, then we need to list out it. The command is ls space hyphen l. Now enter. The next command is to extract the downloaded package. The command is tar space hyphen zxvf space go access hyphen 0.8.5.tar.gz. Now enter to extract. After extracting the downloaded package, then we need to change the directory. The command is cd space go access -0.8.5. Now enter to change the directory. The next command to run the configure script. The command is /configure space -enable -goip space -enable -utf8. This command is used to run the configure script. Now enter to run. Now the configure is completed. The next command is make. Before the installation of Go Access, the make file must be run by using the command of make. Now enter to run. After completed the make, the next command to install make install. The command is sudo space make space install. Now enter. After completing the make install, the next command to open the configuration file of Go Access. The command is sudo space vim space /user /local /etc /goaccess.conf. Now enter to open the configuration file. Now press I to insert. Then search the line of date-format. Now remove hash. Next search the line of log-format. Now remove hash. After editing the line, then we need to save and exit from the file. The next command is to take the SSH of root user. The command is SSH space root at and the IP address. Here the IP address is 192.168.7.177. Now enter. Now enter the password for root. After enter into the root user, then we need to list out the Apache log files are stored in the directory of /var/log/apache2. The command is ls/var/log/apache2. Now enter to list out. Here the Apache log files are access.log, error.log, other underscore vhost access.log. The next command is go access space -f space /var/log/apache2 /access.log space -a. This command will enable you to run Go Access on your Apache server. Now enter. Now the Go Access dashboard will appear. To be able to interact with Go Access dashboard, you have to know some information which will help you to facilitate your work with Go Access. Press F1 for helpful information. Now we see the terminal helpful information window. Next, to see the set of the available options for the active models, you have to use S key. Now press S key. Now we see the sort active models by pressing the S key. Press Q to exit. Here we have lot of option key to use. The keys are J, K, G, F5, F1, Q. Here J is used to scroll down, K is used to scroll back up, S key is used for active model, and Q is used for exit. G is used to scroll the last item. F5 is used to refresh. F1 is used to see the helpful information. Tab key is used to enable your progress from one module, etc. Now press Q to exit. These are the steps to install Go Access Weblog Analyzer with Apache in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching this video.